What's happening, guys? So we're here in the Las Vegas warehouse today at Down4Sound. We're going to be down stacking some stuff in the Sundown aisle. We are in the middle of the Sundown aisle right now, and this is usually our busiest, most stocked up aisle because we sell more Sundown than anybody does. Don't be hating on my burnt because I just got back from Cabo, got me a good tan, even got a sunburn. But anyway, so we're going to be opening up these boxes and getting all the shelves filled back up, so when we do, as we continue to get orders, we're going to be able to get them out quickly to you guys, because the Down4Sound difference consists of fastest shipping, best customer service, and guaranteed lowest prices. So let's get after it. Like a glove. Different people run their businesses different ways, but I'm always out here in the warehouse. I'm up there helping out, like whichever way I can. If I find like a bottleneck where we're struggling, like I'll jump right in and do whatever. If it's taking out the trash, I'll do that. If it's packing boxes, down stacking, I like doing it. So coming up here and being a part of the team is something I enjoy doing. So you'll always see me out here in the warehouse getting after it. Even though it's hot today, it's probably 95 or 100 outside, but we're still out here getting it. Doesn't bother me. I like doing it. Mondays are usually our busiest time because we typically on the weekends, on Saturdays we'll work 8 to 4. That's our half day. And so from 4 o'clock on Saturday afternoon to 6 o'clock Monday morning, everybody's off during that time. If it's not our peak season, if it's our peak season, we'll work 7 days a week, 16, 18 hours a day trying to stay caught up. But anyway, right now during the summertime usually is not our peak season, so let some of the guys have some time off and be able to enjoy the time with their family and stuff like that. So anyway, the orders are piling up over that time of us being gone. So when we come in Monday morning, we have this huge mountain of orders to knock down. Usually it takes us anywhere from Tuesday to Wednesday to get those caught up, but we had 2 new guys start this week and they were able to get everything caught up on Monday, or the vast majority of them. They did a great job yesterday, and having more hands on deck was making it a lot easier to accomplish all these things a lot faster. So that was a good thing. Sundown just recently came out with, I think about a year ago, they came out with the SFB line. SFB stands for Sundown Full Bridge. These amplifiers can be used for mid-range or subwoofers, so a very popular amplifier. That's like one of the reasons you can use it for mid-ranges or subwoofers. And also the price point of this amplifier is very budget friendly, so people have been loving them. Sundown is known to be a more premium tiered premium price point on their products. So even this one, say a Sundown SFB 5000, is $499 on our website, but the Sundown Audio, walk down here real quick, I'll show you this amplifier. So the Sundown Audio Salt 4 right here, it's a Korean board. It's a lot more heavy duty. It'll take a lot more abuse, puts out some more power than 4,000 watts. But this will run you about 1,200 bucks. And this SFB 5000, you can see how much smaller it is as well. The full bridge technology is it requires a lot less space, and this is only 500 bucks, so about half the price, and you get this amplifier from Sundown. So some people don't like the full bridge technology, but we have both. So whatever people want, you want something more budget friendly and a smaller footprint, we got the SFB lineup. If you want the big boy heavy duty stuff, we got that too. The Salt 4, Salt 6s, Salt 8s, Salt 12s, and we have them stocked to the roof, as you can see right there. On the SFB lineup, we have 4 channels, 200.4s, 500.4s right here, and then we move into the, we actually have a 1000.4. Then we have a 5-channel right here, the SFB 1800.5, and we have a bunch of different mono blocks, all the way from the baby 1000, 1500, 2000s, 3000s, 5000s, which we're restocking right now, 8000s, and 13,500 watt amps right there. So we carry the whole lineup and we ship them out on the daily. Niall, you can carry it too. Come here, Niall.
Carry them off my back. I'm just kidding.
So Nayeli's been with me for about a year now. She's a rock star. Like I said, she's the front office manager, but you'll see her running around here. She does a killer job. So if I needed her to do this, she would knock it out too.
Oh yeah, easily, easily.
Here we work hard, but we have fun doing it. That's what the environment is like. I would say fun, but we have a common goal at hand, and we work to accomplish that every day. And that is get out every order that we can every day, if at all possible. So we all work towards that goal, but we have fun doing it as well. So you'll hear the guys cutting jokes on everybody and all that good stuff. So it makes the day go by a lot faster. So that's what the goal is to keep it rolling and have a good time, because if you can have a good environment and have fun while you're working, the day goes by a lot faster and it's a lot more enjoyable. Sometimes people request for me to autograph their stuff. Let me see if I can fold this, like Charles did for this BC 6K crescendo amp. I'm still not sure why people request for me to autograph their stuff, but it's on there if people want me to do it. It's a very popular thing for people to request. Let's see how many autographs was requested. Last month was 316 people requested me to autograph their some type of equipment, whether it be amplifier, anything up here that we offer comes with a signature option if people want me to autograph it. So again, I'm just a guy from Mississippi and just sell some car audio, but some people want me to autograph their stuff, so I do it if they want me to. Okay. All right, that works. Okay. All right, thank you. All right, well, restock orders. You got to stay on top of the game so we can make sure we always have stuff in stock. So I had them checking stock on stuff back there, and I'm updating pricing because everything is increasing in pricing. Unfortunately, the cost of wood, the cost of everything's been going up, so we're just updating the pricing. Def Blunts is one of our #1 brands. We're working on getting, they're about to get in a restock shipment, so they're asking us if we want to order. They always know that we order first. So this is how we stay ahead of the game, is they contact us first because we place the biggest orders and we stock the most. And we will get this done right now, so when they receive their shipment in about 2 weeks, they will turn out all of our stuff that we order usually the same day. They're super fast, they're a great company, so we work great together, getting all this stuff, taking inventory, checking to see what we need, and we'll get that order placed with them, and that way we'll have the stuff first. Yo, what's up guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. I also have Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.